Hello students, let's start our class. In the last video we discussed about the dihybrid groups. Now we are going to read the mean of monogenic inheritance and polygenic inheritance. As you may see, mono means one, genic means gene, and poly means many, and genic means gene. So monogenic means the pattern of inheritance which is influenced by one gene is called monogenic, and if it is influenced by more than one gene so that is called polygenic. तो सिंपल मीनिंग यहाँ है कि जब किसी कैरेक्टर को कंट्रोल करने के लिए एक ही जीन रेस्पॉन्सिबल है इज कॉल्ड मोनोजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस. But if one character is controlled by or determined by different genes, determined by more than one gene, is called polygenic inheritance. Clear? So that is a simple definition. Second thing is that monogenic inheritance is not influenced by the environment. यानी environment इस पे कोई भी असर नहीं डालता है. कुछ जैसे कुछ फीचर्स है, जैसे हीमोग्लोबिन की स्ट्रक्चर है, उसकी जो जेनेटिक स्ट्रक्चर है, जो भी है, दे आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ मोनोजेनिक. वेयर एज polygenic inheritance characters are influenced by the environment like skin color in human being. So monogenic inheritance we read about it. Now we are going to discuss our example for polygenic inheritance. This is given by Galton in 1833. This polygenic inheritance, also called quantitative inheritance. The example, as I told you, human skin color. As we know, the skin color is because of a pigment is called melanin, and the formation of melanin is influenced by three different genes. Human skin color जो है वो एक pigment की वजह से है. The name of the pigment is melanin pigment. और इस पिगमेंट के फॉर्मेशन के लिए ये तीन जीन रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं. क्लियर? अगर ये इस फॉर्म में है मींस ऑल द डोमिनेंट जीन्स या ऑल द डोमिनेंट एलील्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द पेयर, जैसे ये भी पेयर में है, दिस वन ऑल्सो एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो, दैट विल प्रोड्यूस वेरी डार्क कलर. और इन द रिसेसिव फॉर्म इट विल प्रोड्यूस वाइट और वेरी लाइट कलर. Clear? And the combination of this, यानी in hybrid condition, the type of phenotype will be mulatto. Clear? तो polygenic inheritance में जो एक फीचर है, the character और trait is color, skin color, उसके लिए एक से ज्यादा जीन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. That's why it is called polygenic inheritance. So here we talked about monogenic and polygenic. इन सब से अलग one new term is there, pleiotropy. What do you mean pleiotropy? Means when a single gene, here we read single gene one character, here we read more than one gene equal to one character, and here a single gene when determined multiple phenotypic character. यानी जब एक सिंगल जीन एक से ज्यादा कैरेक्टर कंट्रोल करती है, so that is called pleiotropy. In simpler form, if we want to write, so we can write in this manner. Monogenic means one gene equal to one trait. Clear? Polygenic, more than one gene is responsible for determination of one character or trait. You may write any one. And the third one, pleiotropy, means single gene or one gene more than one trait. ओके. मोनोजेनिक मीन्स एक जीन एक कैरेक्टर को कंट्रोल करे. पॉलीजेनिक मीन्स मोर देन वन जीन यानी एक से ज्यादा जीन एक कैरेक्टर को डिटरमाइन करे, एंड प्लियोट्रोपी मीन वन जीन डिटरमाइन मोर देन वन ट्रेट. About these two we read. Now we are going to read example for pleiotropy type. Pleiotropy means one gene, more than one character. The best example for is that start synthesis, यानी large size and small size seed. And second is shape of seed. Seed का shape क्या है? Two contrasting allele for that, round and wrinkled. Generally, Mendel has been used for the round capital R and for wrinkled small r. But here we are talking about the pleiotropy means एक ही जीन एक से ज्यादा फिनोटाइप को कंट्रोल कर रही है, और ये सब चीजें जो थी आफ्टर Mendel it was discovered, so they have used a different gene with the two allele. Clear? So for the first one, large size with small size. Large size means capital B as we are doing, small b. In a gamete, one allele, and this will be the phenotype for F1. The result I will tell it later. Second was round shape and wrinkled shape. Round and wrinkled. B, small b. The resultant is this one. Okay. So according to Mendel के according to, तो यहाँ पे जो F1 का phenotype है should be large size because dominant allele will show its character, and in this one the phenotype should be round in shape, correct? But here I want to tell you that dominance is not an autonomous feature of a gene. यानी dominance is not an autonomous feature of a gene. यानी कि एक जीन केवल डोमिनेंट फीचर ही शो नहीं करती, उसके अलग अलग रेस्पॉन्स हो सकते हैं. लाइक इन दिस केस द F1 phenotype is intermediate size, यानी